There is a growth tool which you don't see a lot of people talking about, but it's one that if you use it in the right way, it's a total ninja move. Now, what I want to show you is, in fact, if we go to growth tools, let's do it that way. It's this one here, and it's the code. Facebook Messenger code. Now, this is one of these things that no one's really ever heard of. So I'm going to show you this on the screen, and then I'm going to have to go away and edit it because I'm going to show you what actually happens on my phone screen when you put it in there. And before I show you kind of what it takes to set it up, because it's a real simple setup. Really, it's just one of the easiest ones to do. I see people saying, "Oh, well, it's something that maybe you can put on a leaflet, or you can put it onto, put it on a flyer or a business card, so that sort of thing." Now, personally, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with those, but I've not used a leaflet or read a leaflet or used a business card in years. But if, for example, you work trade shows, or if you have a business, say, a real good example of this would be like a beauty salon or a hairdresser, or so, like a customer service type product. Or maybe a hotel would be awesome for this, that you could get somebody to scan this code, and then, whilst they're just leaving your premises, they've had the service, they paid, scan the code, and then automatically get them to give you some feedback on the service, and then hit them again with an offer to rebook really quickly. So you can actually use it in that way, and I think it's really super effective. So let's get it set up, and then I'll show you how it works on my phone. And if you scan the code that I leave on the screen for you, that I show you, you'll be able to go through this exact sort of process that I'm going to show you on my phone. So I'll leave the picture up there. You scan it, have a go at it, and give me some feedback, okay? So Facebook Messenger code, you do need to be a pro account for this. So there we go. First thing we're going to do is we're looking at this. It's straightforward. We're set to active, so that's all good. What I want to do, because I've set this all up, as with any of these things, you can edit the message to say whatever you like. I wouldn't suggest putting that in. That's just rubbish. Let's replace it. And I've already put something together which is kind of a scan code welcome message. So I'm just going to put that in there, and we'll select that flow. All right. So this is what you're going to see, and I'm going to see as well. So when I scan this code using my messenger, I'm going to see exactly this message coming up, and then the flow that goes with it. Yeah, easy so far. Next one. It's this simple. Download code image. That's it. You could scan that code now, and you will immediately get what we're talking about. So, saying download the image there. So if I just open that up, there you go. That's the code image. I just need to shift that out of the way. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go onto my Facebook Messenger. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you now exactly what this was, a screenshot basically that I took from my phone to show you what happens, and I'll just run you through this. So when you go onto your Messenger, you'll see there we've got a list of people. Down at the bottom here, just shift that out of the way. Down the bottom here, we've got home, calls, phone, people. And we're going to, if you see, we go through there, we've clicked on the people tab. Now, up here at the top, which is just below message requests, where all the stalkers live, there is scan code. And we're going to click on scan code in a second. And you'll see exactly what happens. And this is really, really cool. So when we click on that, this opens up, and you'll see there is the image. So there's my Mac, and there's the image that we just had there. And as soon as I've got that image within that circle, there we go. There's the message that I've just put together straight into my messenger. Absolutely amazing. So you can see that's message that's going through there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this now. Give it a go. Pause the YouTube video or wherever you're watching it. Get that image in the center of your screen, scan it with your messenger, and have a go. See what happens at yourself. I'll leave this live for you to check it out. So Give it a go, scan the image yourself, and let me know how you get on.